Manchester City Football Club under their head coach Pep Guardiola tends to make sure that they are going to finalize RB LEIPZIG in UEFA Champions League round of 16. Of course, here is Haaland, the striker, leading striker of Manchester City, who scored so many goals in different games this season with in Manchester City. One of the important players on this squad, and the goal getter of Manchester City, and the Manchester City fans have always been depending on him as the icon of the the attacking line. Of course, Haaland has scored so many goals in different games. He has rescued Manchester City in different games. Of course, now he is the one who has so many goals in England. Of course.